Viewers, in today's episode, we will first begin by showing a video that tells all about Pakistan government's nefarious nexus with the dreaded terrorist groups. The puppet Imran Khan government, in association with the terrorists, plans terror attacks against India and then goes on to deny it until its own ministers come out in public to expose their evil terror designs. Have a look.
पुलवामा में जो हमारी कामयाबी है वो इमरान खान की क़यादत में इस कौम की कामयाबी है। उसके हिस्सेदार आप भी सब हैं, उसके हिस्सेदार हम भी सब हैं।
This man boasting about Pulwama terror attack in the Pakistani parliament is none other than Pakistan's Minister of Science and Technology Fawad Chaudhry. On October 29, this Pakistani federal minister admitted to Imran Khan government's role in carrying out the 2019 deadly Pulwama attack that martyred 40 Indian CRPF personnel. Experts believe that such statements coming from a cabinet minister shows the deep involvement of Pakistani top leadership into the acts of terrorism.
The statement is from a very senior Pakistani leader. It's from one of the ministers, and it's a statement that the minister makes on the floor of the Pakistani Legislative Assembly. I'm sure he knew that he was hooked on to the global television from there. And he made a very candid statement that one should give the credit to Prime Minister Imran Khan for the attack in Pulwama, where we lost 40 of our people. Obviously, there can be no more candid, I would say, statement of facts than what the minister has come out with. I only wish this had been stated a couple of days earlier when the Financial Action Task Force was evaluating Pakistan's case for, well, they are being sunk a little deeper in the black hole, in the blacklist. Had this kind of evidence been available from a top leadership of the Pakistan, perhaps it would have made a difference to the Financial Action Task Force final judgment.
Chaudhry, a close aide of Prime Minister Imran Khan, gave the remarks a day after Ayaz Sadiq, an opposition leader in Pakistan, made revelations about an important meeting held in Pakistan on February 27, 2019. In the Pakistani National Assembly, the opposition leader informed about the Pakistani Foreign Minister's shaky state as he pleaded the Pakistan Army to release the Indian Air Force Wing Commander Abhinandan Varthaman, who was captured following the downing of his jet in a dogfight along LOC.
और अभिनंदन की क्या बात करते हैं? मुझे याद है शाह महमूद कुरैशी साहब उस मीटिंग में थे जिसमें प्राइम मिनिस्टर साहब ने आने से इनकार कर दिया और चीफ ऑफ आर्मी स्टाफ तशरीफ लाए। पैर कांप रहे थे, पसीने माथे पे थे और हमसे शाह महमूद साहब ने कहा, फॉरेन मिनिस्टर साहब ने, कि खुदा का वास्ता है अब इसको वापस जाने दें क्योंकि 9 बजे रात को हिंदुस्तान पाकिस्तान पे अटैक कर रहा है।
Taking cognizance of the recent statements passed in the Pakistani parliament, Indian Foreign Ministry called out Pakistan for having launched heinous attacks against India.
The whole world knows the truth about Pakistan's role in supporting terrorism. No amount of denial can hide this truth. Even their own leaders have time and again spoken about their role with regard to terrorism. The country which provides shelter to the maximum number of UN proscribed terrorists should not even attempt to play victim.
Despite several revelations and condemnation, Islamabad does not stop its deplorable terror activities in Jammu and Kashmir. In the latest incident, 3 political workers, Fida Hussain, Umair Hajam and Umair Rashid Beg, were shot by terrorists in Kulgam district on 29 October. The Resistance Front, which is believed to be a shadow group of the Lashkar-e-Taiba, has claimed responsibility for the killings.